I know work from home is getting upon us, everybody is tired. They all just want to go back to their own office, and start working. But, and over there, on top of that, we have so much of things to do also, like housework, and I really have to, would you say, cook a lot, because it's like breakfast, lunch, dinner, and it's getting on my head. You can say it's getting on my blood. Hello and welcome to Magic in My Food. This is Jyoti Dalmia. Today is Tuesday, and I post normal recipes on Tuesday, and I received a beautiful package from Chef Boss. Yes, the Chef Boss who says I am the Chef Boss. That is the feeling they want to give it to us. Yes, I have received a beautiful package from them. Can you see? It's a big box and they are full of ready paste. Yes, they actually say when you use these paste, you can cook it up or any recipe within 10 to 15 minutes. I just want to see actually it works or it's a fake. But before that, let me unbox it. So I'm going to just unbox it. Let me unbox it. Yes, from here I've taken a cut, from here even, and it's a big box. Big box, sorry, not big boss. So here oh wow, see the package, they look so lovely. It says creamy pasta sauce, and this is another creamy pasta sauce. Can you see? Can you see both the packets? Yes, lovely. And I received another pasta and pizza sauce, and this is also pasta and pizza sauce. I'm just loving it, I don't know what to make with this. What easy recipes can be made with this? This is going to be super good, Hey, wait! Yeah, this is Kung Pao cooking sauce. This is super delicious. It looks, I hope the photo it shows. I'm able to make that way. This is another Kung Pao sauce. This is chili Chinese. Honey chili sauce. Wow, I received so many flavors. And this is the Hyderabadi biryani. Lovely. Lucknowi biryani. So I'm removing the things. So quick disclosure time. I have received this packet from Chef Boss only to review. This is not a paid promotion. I have not been paid anything to promote this product. I have just received the packet to review, and today I have decided to make this creamy pasta sauce. So this is the Chef Boss creamy pasta sauce which I am going to make, and it says you have to take about 2 liters of water, add some salt, and when it starts boiling you have to add some pasta into it, and then you just make a sauce. Take a pan, add this creamy pasta sauce and some water and drop the boiled pasta into it. So here I am first boiling the water. I have taken half portion of it water and it's boiling. Now I have added some salt into it. Yes, I am dropping some fusilli into it, and this is your durum wheat fusilli which is good for health. I sometimes use quinoa pasta even, that is very good for health. Sometimes buckwheat pasta till it becomes al dente. And meanwhile I am going to heat a pan and I am going to make it a bit healthy. Yes, I love to cook healthy recipes. So here I have just added some olive oil and I am dropping some veggies into it. Some red bell pepper goes into it. Some yellow bell pepper goes into it, and some mushrooms goes into it. Just saute it. Yes, give it a saute so that the mushroom starts sweating out. Yes, it will sweat out its water. Meanwhile, I'm stirring the pasta in between, and now I'm adding the broccoli florets into it, dropping some greenery into my pasta. You can make the pasta without the veggies even, but I like it with my veggies. So I'm dropping some veggies into it, toss it a bit, it's done. My pasta is also done. Can you see it hasn't taken more than 10 minutes till now. And now comes the creamy pasta sauce. See, it has a nozzle so that you can use it and keep it. It's a good way, I love this nozzle system. So you can use whatever quantity you require and you can keep it aside, sealed pack, nothing to fear. And I'm dropping the creamy, so thick, lovely sauce, creamy sauce. They say it has all type of ingredients, you don't have to add anything extra. Let's see how does it turn out. Beautiful. I'm adding almost half. I can see the herbs in it. And I'm going to drop some water into it, yes, so that it becomes a creamy mixture. Yes, I want a thick creamy mixture. I'm dropping some more sauce because I've added some veggies even, and now comes my cooked pasta which I'm dropping inside it. I'm just giving it a toss so that my fusilli gets coated, or the pasta gets coated with the cream, and I'm going to give a single boil. And my pasta is done. So I'm dropping some pasta into my serving bowl, and it's quite easy. I found it quite easy because first you have to make the roux, then you have to add milk, continuously stir, and then you have to add the cheese, get hold of the herbs, the spices, red chili flakes. Over here I didn't have to go for anything. I'm going to top it with some cheese. Yes, that depends upon you how much cheese you want. It's already creamy, I think, so you don't require much. So here I'm putting a sprig of basil leaves, and now comes the tasting time. This pasta looks really tasty and creamy, and it is very convenient and easy to prepare even. And that is the main idea of this product, that it is convenient and easy, which can be prepared very easily at home. But we have to see how it is. That is it tasty or not? So I'm going to taste it now and see it is convenient and easy and also tasty or not. And this goes inside my mouth. It's really good, So easy and so quick to prepare. In fact, it's really a convenient food. I can call myself, I am the chef boss. These are your Jubilant Food products, and they are very good, and you can see the variety they have, which are easily available on Amazon, Flipkart, or on their official websites too. So if you have liked it and enjoyed it, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel and post comments and queries. I would love to answer it. Thank you.